Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add users and delete users in Linux. Okay, so I've already showed you how to do it using the commands user add and user del. However, this time I'm going to be showing you how to do it using the commands add user and del user. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now let's just say that I wanted to add a user named Sam, a username of Sam. So I would type add user. Please note that if you are not root, you need to use sudo. Okay, so add user, and I'm going to type Sam. So now it says new password. I'm going to type a password, and it says passwords updated successfully. I'm going to write a full name, which is Samdo. Room number is like 101. Let's just say that. We don't really have that information. We don't have the home phone, and we don't have any other information. It says, is this information correct? Let's just say no. Okay. And now let's just say the name was actually Sammy. Okay, so for that I need to type video. And room number, if it was correct, you would hit enter. And if the rest of information was correct, you would just keep hitting enter. And it says, is this information correct? Just type Y. And if I clear the screen and view my /etc/passwd directory, I'm going to see this username right here. And this is the room number, which it actually did add. Here's the first name and last name. And now let's just say that I wanted to remove this user. Okay, so this is the command that I need to type: del user, and then I'm going to type the username, and it says done. Now let's confirm that. Okay, so let's view our passwd directory, and as you can see, Sam username has been removed. Okay, so that is basically it, guys. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.